Hi there, so let's start with the setup of Tally and go to your browser and search Tally Education Download. So when it opens the search results, click on the first tab, that is tallysolutions.com-download. It will take you to the official site of the Tally browser. Here you can feel free to surf the website. We are directly on the download page. Here you can choose your country. It's Kenya, Middle East, Indonesia, Bangladesh and international. If you can't see your country here, choose international. When you start your creating your own company, it will ask for your country in the software itself because it has 140 plus countries in it. So I'll be choosing international right here. I'll go to downloads and then I'll click on install now. So there's this setup file right here. Say yes to the download and then click on install, and then it will download your resources right here and install the version of Tally. So let it do it. It depends on your internet speed. You don't have to worry about which country do you choose because it basically doesn't matter with the results that we are going to learn right now. Taking time to install. Okay, till the time we can look at this where Tally ERP9. Let's see what it all has. Okay, take a free demo, the perfect company for your business, better control over cash flow, improved productivity, optimum inventory management. Okay, so done. The Tally installation is almost done now. There will be a done tab right here. Click on that tab, done tab, and it will take you to the main Tally page. It will open the application called Tally. Then you have this startup page in which you have to choose work in educational mode, that is W. Okay, and then you have this startup page of Tally right here. So you are done with the setup. I'll see you in the next lecture.